love. I'm just finishing my last order and I'll be with you in a few minutes, alright?
Alright, thank you. Doing chips. No. Oh wow! Oh, thank you. Oh, shit.
That's what he's after.
I'll give that to him. Oh, thank you. See you later. She's giving him a pot of cream. You're going to get us everywhere, aren't you? Can you just have a little bit? God, the vet's. I hope the vet's not watching. Can we save some for nephew? Okay, that'll do. We'll save some for because we're going to go and see Nook. We'll save some for Nook, yeah? Yep. Oh, bless him. Molten nooks. Get another nook out of that, can you? And the other one. And the other one. Good boy. Good boy. Ready? There you go. Looks like he's meditating. Oh, look. Ready? Come on then. Ooh.